Chapter 18. Journey of Wastewater. Let's begin. What do the above pictures represent? We have already learned that water is a precious natural resource and a necessity for life. Without water, all the living organisms will perish. Even our body is made up of 75% of water. But have you ever thought what happens to the dirty water that is generated and where it goes? Is it dumped into water bodies? Is it fit for drinking? Can it be put back to use? Let us find out how the dirty water is generated and how it can be put to use after treatment. Types of sewage. The water which gets dirty and discharged after use is called wastewater or sewage. It is released after innumerable human activities such as bathing, washing clothes, flushing, washing dishes, etc. Sewage is of various types depending upon its point of origin, color and odor. 1. Trade waste. Waste released from industries and commercial organizations is called trade waste. It consists of acids, metals, fats, grease and strong chemicals that are highly toxic in nature. The discharge of industrial wastewater is called effluent. 2. Greywater or sewage water. Wastewater released from the kitchen is termed as greywater or sewage water. The contaminants in sewage water are mild detergents, oils and food particles. 3. Blackwater or foul water. Wastewater released from toilets is termed as blackwater or foul water. Wastewater treatment, WWTP. Domestic wastes such as oil, food scrap, detergent, soap, grease, etc. form sewage after getting accumulated and go through a system of pipes, called sewers, also known as municipal wastewater. The sewer system. The sewers are linked to each other to form a network called sewerage system. It helps in collecting, treating and disposing of sewage. Sewage from individual house is collected into a collective sewer, from where it is carried to the central treatment plant, and this stream of waste entering into the plant is called influence. Treatment of wastewater. Wastewater treatment refers to the process of removing contaminants from wastewater through physical, chemical and biological processes. So, a plant which treats the wastewater from domestic as well as industrial source is called a wastewater treatment plant. It involves 3 basic stages in treating wastewater: primary, secondary and tertiary. Primary treatment. It is a mechanical process which involves screening and settling down of large particles. 1. Screening. The sewage is passed through vertical bar screens to remove large impurities such as metal and sand removal tanks called the grit chambers. 2. Sedimentation tanks. The water is passed through large clarifiers called sedimentation tanks. The solid sludge sinks down at the bottom of the tank, and the light floatable material such as grease, oil and faces is skimmed off, which is called the scum. The sludge is sent into separate tanks called digesters. Secondary treatment. This is a biological treatment in which the sludge is broken down by anaerobic bacteria. This process is called digestion. As a result of it, biogas is produced, which is used either as a fuel or to produce electricity. The process can be fastened up by allowing water to flow into large aeration tanks. Tertiary treatment. This is a chemical treatment which involves the removal of phosphorus and nitrogen from the water. Water is treated with chlorine and is exposed to UV rays, which kills remaining bacteria and disinfect the water. Water is then discharged into water bodies. Wastewater management. We have to raise awareness among people to realize their responsibility in the effective management of wastewater. The government should make sure that there are adequate treatment plants to treat sewage. A few measures can be adopted to control generation of sewage. Times products like paints, polishes, oil, and cleaning products should be disposed properly. Avoid throwing plastic bottles, flowers, etc. into streams, lakes, rivers or seas. Use flushes with low capacity. Cooking oil, butter, Ghee, meat and fats should not be poured down the drains as they may block the pipes by greasing the pipes, therefore reducing the water flow. Times fix leakage in sewer pipes as this leakage may contaminate the drinking water, seep into the water table, where it becomes the breeding ground for the diseases like malaria, dengue, etc. Vegetable wastes should be collected, dumped properly and converted into compost. Economical method of sewage disposal. Some alternative methods of sewage disposal are septic tanks, biogas plants, and vermicomposting tanks. Septic tanks. Low-cost septic tanks called on-site disposal system are made in semi-urban areas where household wastewater is allowed to flow into an underground septic tank. The sludge settles down and the scum floats on the surface. The solid waste is acted upon by bacteria. Biogas plant. Biogas plants are prevalent in villages and small towns in India. Human excreta flows through covered drains into biogas plants. Microbes break down the materials present in the waste and produce biogas. Vermicomposting toilet. It is an anaerobic breakdown of excreta with no or small volume of water. This is bit faster than the anaerobic decomposition in the septic tank. It is based on an innovative design in which earthworms are used to convert human excreta into compost. It is a hygienic way of processing human waste. Improper management of sewage. With the rapid increase in industrialization and urbanization, the sewage is becoming more and more contaminated. Sanitation has become a major problem of our country. The main source of water pollution is the discharge of untreated sewage waste into water bodies, which happens due to improper sewage handling by municipality. Our major rivers like Ganga, Yamuna are receiving the city garbage, thus making water unfit for drinking and other domestic uses. Sanitation in public places. Times proper sanitation should be maintained at public places such as railway station, bus depot, airports and malls. Times there should be a sufficient number of toilets to accommodate the maximum number of people during the day. Times as a large number of people use these toilets, the waste must be disposed of properly. Times there must be wash basin with a disinfectant or a soap. Times sanitary health related diseases, information should be displayed in public places. Times plastic, metal cans and bags should be dumped in the bins meant for them. Times waste management and proper sewerage system is the key to have healthy and prosperous country. We all play a role in making our environment healthy and clean.